Hey everyone, welcome to this part of the course where you're actually going to get to take action and get your marketing framework all set up. This is the exciting part of the course because we actually get to start setting everything up. Downloading your high converting sales funnel is a very simple process. What you're going to want to do is to watch each video that is down below, including this one, stop and go and do the steps that I show you. I want to challenge you, take your time and do everything at your own pace. Feel free to rewatch any of these videos and then just kind of stop, implement, do the steps, and then rewatch. So let's go ahead and get started with the very first step, which is to download your already pre-built sales funnel. So this part of the training is going to be in several parts. The first part is going to be actually downloading your sales funnel that's already been pre-built and ready to go, and you're going to be downloading it into your account. Now, here is how the process works, and it's very simple. Below this video, you're going to see a comprehensive list of different sales funnels. They're basically going to be links. Okay, so it might say real estate funnel. It might say chiropractor funnel. This one, appliance repair lead gen funnel. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for the link below this video that closely matches your business the most. So if you're a real estate agent, all you're going to do is just look for the real estate funnel below, and then so on and so on. Depending on what business you have, just look below for whichever one closely matches your business. And if you don't see one that is for what you specifically do, that is not a problem. It is so simple and easy to just take one of the funnels below and just make it your own. It's very simple, and I'll show you how to do it. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll click on the link below that that matches your business, and you're going to come to a page just like this. And it's basically a welcome, to ClickFunnels share page. Now, ClickFunnels is the #1 company in the world as far as the software that you'll be using to be able to build out your sales funnels, to host them, for all of your leads to go through, all of your sales, if you're going to be doing your sales through the software, you're able to do that as well. You're able to do product launches, membership sites, webinars. You're able to do opt-in funnels. You're able to create action funnels and smart list and all kinds of really awesome things. It is, ClickFunnels is the fastest growing software company in the world in this space, which is creating websites and funnels, generating leads, generating sales. It's by far also the easiest software I have ever used. So this is the one. Now you're welcome to use whatever you want, but this, for the purpose of this course, for the purpose of making the process as easy as possible, this is what I highly suggest doing. Personally, I've tried everything that's out there. I've tried every software that's out there for building up funnels and websites. They're either expensive, complicated, or they just don't work. So this is by far the best experience I've ever had, and I've been doing this for years. So, if you take a look at this preview page, it shows you the funnel that you'll be downloading. It's already pre-built and ready to go. It consists of a landing page and a thank you page. And everything is editable. You can edit everything. You can do the pictures, you can put a logo here. You can change the words, the colors, the fonts, everything. And it's drag and drop. It's simple, easy to use. So what you're going to do, you're welcome to watch this video if you want to. Go ahead and put your best email address and go ahead and create a password. So I put kind of a fake email here so I can show you the actual process. So once you click on the button, you're going to come to a page like this, and it's going to be to sign up for your free 14-day trial. Within those 14 days, you're going to be able to set up everything. You're going to be able to get your email marketing set up. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm even going to provide the emails for you. You're going to be able to start generating leads, and you're going to be running traffic, getting sales. So you don't have to worry about the cost of the software, but because by the time we even get halfway done with your trial, I'm sure we'll be able to get you some revenue coming in. But basically you have two options, which #1 is going to be it's a $97 a month plan, which is the basic plan. What that does is it gives you the ability to be able to have up to 20 sales funnels, which if you're a local business, that is plenty. If you're a small business and you're only wanting to do, one or two sales funnels, to test different things out, different offers, it's more than enough. But the other option is the Edison suite, and that's $297 a month. Now, the only reason that I would select the Edison suite is if you want everything to be included, which is ClickFunnels and Actionetics. We're not really worried about Backpack, but Actionetics is a really cool software to have on top of the ClickFunnels platform because it includes your email autoresponder and you're able to create action funnels. So it's just one step further to just having everything under one roof instead of having to go out and get a third-party autoresponder, which I'm going to show you how to do. So it's up to you which one you want to do. Obviously, if you want to just go with the Edison suite, have everything set up, you're welcome to do that. And within 14 days, you can change it to the $97 plan. You can do the $97 plan, change it to the $297. It's very flexible. Whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you want to do, the $97 plan is fine. It's going to give you everything that you need. But with the $297, it's going to save you on additional steps that you don't have to do. So go ahead and click on which step that you want to use, which membership. Put your card number right here, and then hit activate my account. It's up to you if you want to do this additional training. You don't have to. But once you click activate my account, you're going to activate your ClickFunnels account, and then the sales funnel, the share funnel link that's below this video that you clicked on will be downloaded into your ClickFunnels account. So once you sign up for your free 14-day trial, you're going to come to a page like this. This is kind of your like your dashboard or an overview of your account. And what we can do is I'm going to show you how everything works. Right here on ClickFunnels, if you hover over that, you're going to be able to look at all the funnels that are in your account, look at your contacts, your sales, and then building out a funnel from scratch. If you have Actionetics, you'll be able to access that here. And here are your settings, your account details. This is for integrations such as integrating, setting up your email autoresponder and other third-party applications. This is for your domains. Let's see here. But pretty much it's very self-explanatory. What we're going to do is we're going to hover over ClickFunnels, click on Funnels. Now, this is going to be all the funnels that are in your account. As you can see, I have a lot. So now let me give you an example of what it looks like. Let's say that we're over here at the appliance repair lead gen funnel. And this is what it looks like. We have steps, stats, contacts, and settings, overview, automation, and publishing. Now let me show you how all of this works, okay? This is the main page, which is the landing page. We're going to click on the preview button so you can see what it looks like. And this is a very nice professionally made funnel that is very basic. It has a clear call to action. Put the name, email, and phone number to book an appointment. And and you can also have a pop-up that comes up right here. And I believe it has an exit pop-up. So as you try to exit out, it pops up again. So it's pretty cool. And you don't have to have that. It's an easy setting to do. But this is what the page looks like. Then we go over here to the thank you page. So we have our pages right here on this part. And then we want to take a look at the thank you page, and this is what the thank you page looks like. So thanks for claiming your discount. We'll reach out to you shortly to make your appointment. Skip the line, contact us directly. So these are the two pages that are inside of this sales funnel. Now, if we want to go to stats, that's simply going to give us an idea of the website visitors. And as you can see, there is one because we just visited that website. Over here on contacts, this is going to show all of the leads that have been generated through this sales funnel. And then this is the settings. And you have the name of the funnel here. And of course, you can change it to put your company name. And then you can create a tag for everything being, here, I'll show you what it looks like. Let's exit out of that. And as you can see, I have different tags. I have share funnels, then I have websites, Facebook ads, and then so on. And then this is where we're going to be doing your domain name, and I'm going to do that in a later training. This path, what that means is that when somebody lands on this website, if it's www.appliancerepair.com, after .com, this is what's going to populate. Okay, so you can kind of customize that if you want to. And let's see here. If you are running Facebook ads and you wanted to do your Facebook pixel, you could put it over here in the head tracking code. That's where that goes. And then if you need to make any changes, what you do is you scroll all the way down and click Save and Update. And then if you don't want a funnel, you can click Archive Funnel. Okay, so it's very self-explanatory. It's very easy to use. There is a lot going on. There's different things down here, different stuff up here. You don't really need to worry about all of that. You just need to concentrate on the very basics of how the software works. But this is going to be your new best friend for a very long time, because ClickFunnels is by far the best software I've ever used when it comes to generating leads, sales, and customers. It's absolutely the best, and it's very easy to use. So that is how the process works. When you click on any of the links below, what they'll do is it'll actually download into your account, and you'll be able to access it. And it's going to be very simple and very easy to be able to edit it, make it your own, kind of add your branding, your imaging, your branding colors. If you do have any branding colors, you'll be able to just kind of make it your own. So in the next video, we're actually going to go through and I'm going to show you how to make all of these changes to your new sales funnel.